You probably think mathematicians are all about numbers. Well, get ready to be surprised. Sounds like the start of a joke, right? But I promise the answer is totally real. They're all part of the hidden story of math, and weirdly connected by one single day, January 28th. Let's bust our first myth. You have to be a born genius for math. But what if that's just wrong? Take Francisco Gomes Teixeira. His entire career in math started, believe it or not, with a coin toss. Seriously, his dad flipped a coin. Heads science, tails theology. Science won, and math got a new genius. And hey, math isn't always a solo mission. Meet Johannes Hevelius. He proves discoveries are a team sport. He and his wife worked side by side, publishing groundbreaking work on the stars together. It was a partnership. Okay, on to myth #2, that mathematicians are stuck at a desk. No way. For some, it's an adventure. This guy, Charles-Marie de la Condamine, was basically a world explorer with a math mission. He went on a dangerous expedition to South America, all to help figure out the true shape of our planet. Then you've got Ferdinand Verbiest. He wasn't just looking at stars, he was a pretty wild inventor. Way back in the 1600s, he designed what might be the world's first steam-powered car. That's math for you. Now, some adventures happen inside the mind. Ludolf von Sulen had one single, lifelong obsession. This number. He spent his life calculating pi to 35 decimal places, a record that lasted for ages. Even other mathematicians, like Louis Mordell, thought their colleagues were, an odd-looking lot. Kind of funny, right? All right, our final myth, that math has no real power. This one is a really big deal to bust. Meet Klaus Fuchs. His brilliant mind put him right in the middle of a global power struggle. Working on the atomic bomb, he became a spy. His knowledge of physics and math changed world history. Forever. It just goes to show you, things on a blackboard can have huge real-world consequences. So, an adventurer, an inventor, a collaborator, and a spy. Remember our riddle? They're all connected by January 28th. But the real link? It's the human story behind all the math. So what is math, really? It's curiosity, adventure, and teamwork. It's a force that shapes our world. Math is just a big story about human curiosity. The real question is, what will your chapter be?